Good day, everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Great news for families in New Zealand. Starting 29th of September 2025, the government launched the brand new Parent Boost Visitor Visa. This visa is designed to help parents of citizens and residents stay connected for longer, with stays for up to 5 years per grant and the chance to extend to 10 years in total. But before you start preparing, there are important requirements and conditions you need to know. Let's dive in. This is a long stay, multiple entry visitor visa. Parents can stay in New Zealand for 5 years at a time, and if they still meet the criteria, they can apply for a second 5 year visa. Unlike short term visitor visas, the Parent Boost visa is designed to provide flexible extended family visits. However, it's important to note this visa is not a pathway to permanent residence and does not grant work rights, access to public health care, or superannuation benefits. To apply, parents must be outside New Zealand when applying and when the visa is granted, have no dependent children, be sponsored by an adult child who is a New Zealand citizen or resident, show they are genuine visitors with ongoing ties to their home country, meet strict health and character requirements. Sponsorship rules: the sponsor must be your biological or adopted child or jointly apply with their partner if joint sponsorship is needed. They must also be ordinarily resident in New Zealand and remain so while you are here. Commit to supporting your living, accommodation, health, and travel needs during your stay. Financial requirements. To qualify, families need to show financial stability. This can be proven in three ways. Sponsor's income. If sponsoring one parent, your child must earn at least the median wage for 2 of the last 3 years. Higher income is required if sponsoring two parents or if joint sponsorship is used. Applicant's own income: single parent, New Zealand dollars 32,611.28 per year; couple, New Zealand dollars 49,552.88 per year. Applicant's savings: single, New Zealand dollars $160,000; couple, New Zealand dollars $250,000. Health and insurance requirements. This is one of the strictest parts of the Parent Boost Visitor Visa. Parents must pass health checks before approval, provide evidence of 12 months of valid insurance upfront once they get the approval in principle, maintain continuous insurance during their entire stay. Insurance must be from a trusted provider with at least an A credit rating and cover New Zealand dollars 250,000 emergency medical per year, New Zealand dollars 100,000 cancer treatment per year, New Zealand dollars 250,000 for repatriation due to illness or disability, and New Zealand dollars 50,000 for returns of remains. Failure to maintain this insurance can result in visa cancellation, deportation, or being barred from future parent visas. Medical checks and compliance. To reduce pressure on New Zealand's health system, Immigration New Zealand will run two medical checks. Initial exam before the visa is approved. 3 year check. Parents must leave New Zealand, undergo a new medical exam, and show proof of continuous insurance coverage. This process can take up to 4 months, so families should plan carefully. Fees and costs. Applying for the Parent Boost Visitor Visa isn't cheap. Here's the cost breakdown. Visa fee: New Zealand dollars 3,000 or New Zealand dollars 2,450 under the Pacific fee band. Tourism levy, New Zealand dollars 100. Health check, 3 years, New Zealand dollars 325 or New Zealand dollars 240 for Pacific applicants. Remember, the 5 year visa starts from the date of your first arrival in New Zealand and not the approval date. You must arrive within 6 months of approval. Important limitations: parents on this visa cannot work in New Zealand, cannot access public health care or superannuation, must remain financially self sufficient. If your goal is permanent settlement, you should consider the Parent Resident Visa, Parent Retirement Visa, or the Active Investor Plus Visa. The Parent Boost Visitor Visa is a major step forward for family reunification. Whether it's helping raise grandchildren, celebrating milestones, or simply enjoying everyday life, this visa makes long term visits possible without giving up your ties overseas. For families separated by distance, it's a real opportunity to bring everyone closer together. Connect with our team today and we can assist with the application process. If you found this video helpful, hit like, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon for more updates on New Zealand visas and immigration pathways. And let us know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.